Suspended Deputy National Police Commissioner Shadrack Sibiya is expected to take the stand on Wednesday at the Madlanga Commission, where he will confront explosive allegations linking him to alleged organized crime figures. Sibiya, a senior figure within the police's Crime Intelligence Division, faces claims that he maintained close relationships with suspected cartel leaders Katiso Katie Molefe and Vusimuzi Matlala, individuals described before the commission as influential players in criminal networks. Evidence presented to the inquiry suggests the alleged relationship extended beyond the professional contact. Witness testimony has pointed to claims of financial benefit and protection, raising serious concerns about whether elements within senior police leadership were compromised. At the heart of the allegations is Sergeant Fani Nkosi, who was described before the commission as intermediary allegedly used to collect hard cash from Molefe and Matlala on Sibiya's behalf. Testimony indicated that Nkosi gathered payments that were purportedly destined for the suspended commissioner. Claims that, if proven, would point to a deeply troubling nexus between law enforcement and organized crime. Sibiya has firmly denied any wrongdoing, including assertions that he shared close ties with Molefe and Matlala. His testimony under oath is expected to directly challenge the credibility of witnesses who have implicated him. As the Commission continues to test the evidence placed before it, the Madlanga Commission is tasked with investigating allegations of corruption, political interference, and criminal infiltration within South Africa's law enforcement structures. Proceedings so far have exposed fears that certain officials may have shielded criminal networks rather than dismantled them. The inquiry unfolds against a broader national effort to restore public confidence in the country's security services. During his recent State of the Nation address, Cyril Ramaphosa stressed the urgency of strengthening vetting processes for police and metropolis officers to prevent criminal elements from embedding themselves within the system. As Sibiya prepares to testify, attention will be fixed on whether one of the country's most senior police officials can convincingly distance himself from figures the police are mandated to pursue, or whether the Commission's findings will deepen concerns about the integrity of South Africa's crime-fighting institutions. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.